5 questions to ask your roofing contractor. Roof works may require a huge financial outlay. Therefore, one must conduct due diligence when selecting a suitable contractor. As a homeowner, it's your responsibility to do proper research about your prospective contractors before you spend your resources. So let's get into it. The first question to ask your roofing contractor is, are you a licensed roofing contractor? As a homeowner, it's crucial to inquire whether your contractor is licensed to execute roof works. The specific regulations vary according to jurisdiction. Therefore, it's paramount to ensure that you are familiar with the licensing regulations in effect in your area, and also that your roofing contractor complies with them. This will determine if the roofing contractor is professional. The next question is, do you have workman's compensation insurance? It's critical to ask whether your roofing contractor offers compensation insurance to their workforce. If an injury happens at your property, you might find yourself entangled in a legal dispute requiring you to be held liable for the medical expenses. Therefore, it's paramount that you guard yourself against the possibility by ensuring that your roofing contractor offers workman's compensation insurance. Another important question is, do you have general liability insurance? Liability insurance serves to cover damage that may occur on your property as a result of the work. This also protects you as the property owner. The next question to ask your roofing contractor is, what experience do you have? Due to the huge costs and technical complexities that are usually associated with roof works, it's critical to ask your contractor the extent of experience that they carry in executing these kinds of work. You must verify your roofing contractor's competence by checking reviews and previous work. Finally, the last important question to ask is, will my roof come with a warranty? It's crucial to engage contractors who offer a warranty, as they usually do an excellent job to such an extent that they are confident of their work themselves. As we wind up, it's important to note that having a well-prepared Q&A session with your contractor can easily eliminate problems and conflict. All parties will be fully aware of their expectations, hence promoting a flawless experience. Wolfenberg Roofing offers expert services and ensures quality work on your roof. Call today for a free quote, 613-800-9058.